For assignment number 2, you're going to go to wordle.net. Again, it's wordle.net, www.wordle.net. Push pause if you need to, at this time, review the web address here. So we're going to create a Wordle, and we're going to create our own Wordle. You can kind of read here, Wordle is a toy for generating word clouds, and that's what Wordle is. It's a word cloud. You can kind of see some of the examples here of some of the ones that have already been created. But we want to click on Create Your Own. Now, one of the things that are going to happen on your computer is you're going to see this yellow bar at the top, and it says Java needs to have your permission to run this application on the internet. We want to select Always Run on this site. Once you've clicked that, if it appears again, and it might, continue to click Always Run on this site. Now, what we want to do for this assignment is we want to have 20 terms of technology-related terms. What you might want to do, this could include, for example, mouse, internet, Apple, Facebook, Twitter, anything related to technology, iPhone. What you might want to do if you are confused on this assignment is go to Google and type in technology terms, or even computer terms. So that you have a list of things that you could choose from. And any of these would be applicable. Make sure that you choose something that you're familiar with, such as printer. If I scroll down, a lot of these are not familiar to me, so I may go back and do another search or select another website. So any technology-related term is what you want to use. So when I'm in Wordle, it says paste in a bunch of text. Well, we're going to type in our text. So I might put mouse, keyboard. I'm going to hit enter after each one of these words. Apple, Google. I might choose Chrome. Maybe I choose Facebook or Twitter. Any technology-related term. Make sure that it's spelled correctly. We need 20 of them. So I'm going to continue on. I already used keyboard, monitor. Let's see here. Snippet. We've learned about that tool. Desktop. Wallpaper. We've learned those terms already. Taskbar. Let's use address, or actually let's use tab. These are tabs on Google Chrome here. How about bookmark? Let's use some websites as well, such as Yahoo. Or maybe Minecraft. So you need 20 of these listed in order, just like this. We're going to hit go. Now again, if there's a yellow bar at the top of your screen that says run this time, make sure you run all the time. And if this button or if this window pops up, we're going to hit run. So now we have our Wordle assignment. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a snippet of this. Here's my snippet of old. I'm going to close that. And I'm going to hit snippet button right here. Now actually, before I get to that, we're going to edit this. There's some different options that you have here. we don't need to worry about language, but maybe font. Maybe you want a different sized or style font. Maybe you want a different layout, such as horizontal, or maybe mostly horizontal, or maybe half and half. It's up to you how you want yours done. We do color. We can choose a different color scheme for our Wordle as well. So once you've chosen and once you've modified your Wordle, what you're going to do is, again, take a snippet of this. So we're going to start in the, notice that my mouse turns to a crosshair. We're going to click our mouse and drag a box just to that. So that's just our Wordle that we see here. Again, we're going to right click and copy. We're going to go to our PowerPoint presentation, which, again, our digital portfolio. Slide 2 was our wallpaper assignment number 1. We're going to add a new slide. Again, we want title only. We're going to title this Wordle. Click outside that. We're going to right click our mouse and choose this button here to paste what we've done. Now we don't want to cover up our title. However, we want it to be big to fill up our whole slide here, but only so that there's space on each side. So there's space here, space at the bottom. We can't see our title, so we're going to shrink this down a little bit. Still looks a little funky. So we're going to try to center this the best we can. And now we're going to put right here at the end of Wordle assignment number 2. So this is assignment number 2. We have assignment number 1, which is our desktop and our wallpaper, and we've added the labels to our wallpaper. And assignment number 2 is the Wordle that we've created from the 20 terms of technology-related terms. Again, you can search for these terms and find, you've got many different terms in Google just by searching technology terms, computer terms, and you will find numerous resources to find at least 20 to add into your Wordle.